Okay.
Hi guys,
Hi,
I've got a guest announcer on today's announcement. I'm reaching out today because there is, I mentioned yesterday that AP is offering some free, some free review sessions on YouTube. They updated late yesterday, early this morning. I don't know when I checked it, about 5 o'clock yesterday, and there were no updates. But they've posted the first one. The first one is going to happen today at some point. So I don't remember the time off the top of my head. I will post it on Canvas. Please I know it doesn't fit our normal bell schedule, but whether you watch it today as it's live or tomorrow on our actual class day, it doesn't really matter. My understanding is that they're recording them so that you can see them later. I think that if you view it live, there's some sort of interactive piece where you can ask questions and things like that. So that's all I wanted to say. Again, I don't expect you. I know it's not a normal class day, and sorry, I'm distracted here. But all I'm asking you to submit is evidence that you participated. Take pictures of your notes, something like that, and then write just a real short reflection. You'll see it on Canvas. So tune in if you can today. If you can't, watch the recorded version tomorrow. And good luck. Say bye.
Bye bye.